Are you looking for high-quality contracting services for your home, business, or other project? As your family or business grows, evolves, and expands, your space also needs to expand and evolve as well. So, who do you turn to? Turn to the team at Avatar Contractor, a team with more than a decade of experience. Avatar Contractor serves all of Atlanta and the surrounding communities. We provide a wide range of services to our residential and commercial clients. Whether you need a fresh coat of paint or a complete overhaul and renovation or remodeling project, the team at Avatar Contractor can assist. Our services include bathrooms, kitchens, basements, interiors, exteriors. At Avatar Contractor, we're versatile. Our experienced craftsmen and contractors can help with a wide range of elements on your project, which makes planning your remodel so much easier. In fact, we have more than a decade of experience, and we're proud to maintain a stellar reputation with the Better Business Bureau. At Avatar Contractor, we work hard to ensure our clients receive high-quality services at competitive prices. Customer satisfaction is one of our top priorities. Our team works with the client to ensure there's minimal disruption to your home or business. When you work with Avatar Contractor, you can rest assured that your project will be completed on time and on budget. Don't trust just anyone with your home or business. Turn to the best. Avatar Contractor. You'll enjoy working with a reputable, well-established firm that places an emphasis on quality, affordability, and customer satisfaction. So what are you waiting for? Get started on your project today. Call Avatar Contractor today at 770-776-6218. That's 770-776-6218. Or learn more online by visiting us at avatarcontractors.com. That's www.avatarcontractors.com. Avatar Contractor, trusted to deliver excellence.